Good evening, everyone! So, welcome to our 2025 unbag session. So, ito ang ating, Diyos ko, ang bigat! Okay, so care of Harry, care of our company. Okay, first of all, we have this Nestle cream. Panggawa ng dessert. Oh my God. Graham cake or something, diba? And then, fruit cocktails. Uy, we have Skippy. Sarap nito, guys. The best. Right. Also, we have, kung may Skippy, syempre, di ba patalo Nutella, o di ba? Ayan. So, Nutella. Ayan. Our favorite. Of course, pack. Ganon. Lace stacks. Okay. Right. And then we have, syempre, kapag Noche Buena, di pwedeng mawala ang Del Monte Spaghetti. This is Filipino style. So, meron na siyang, ito yung naka-bundle. Like, meron na siyang spaghetti sauce at saka yung noodles mismo. Ay, oh. Ang bigat kasi, guys. Sobrang bigat niya. And then we have the Danes Queso de Bola. Meron ulit tayo. Last year, meron din ganito, ba diba? Sino nanood na ng 2024 unbag session ko? So, ayan. Of course, kung may lace, may dessert, syempre. Hindi ko alam kung aabot pa to ng Christmas. And then, we have the quick melt. Actually, mas masarap to pang cheese stick. Papagawang kong cheese stick. Okay, and then we have Del Monte Fruit Cocktail. Ito yung bundle ng Nestle All-Purpose Cream. So, also, we have the Del Monte Four Seasons. Kailangan mag-cleanse tayo pagkatapos natin kumain. Of course, last year, may ganito din tayo, which is the Spam. We have two Spam. And, syempre, the last is, wow, naka-Delimondo ang girl. Okay, makakatikim tayo ng Delimondo. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano mas masarap. Kung Pure Foods ba o Delimondo. Alright, so, yan yung mga nasa loob ng ating bag. Hanap tayo kung meron pa. Baka meron dito sa gilid-gilid. Wala. Pero, ang ganda ng bag natin, guys. This is Harry Group of Companies. And, charan! We are certified as a great place to work. Diba? Pack. Ganun. For November 2025 to November 2026. So, if kailangan, naghahanap kayo ng mga trabaho, so, just check out the Harry or Harryfield HR Resources Inc. Teka, may nalimutan pala ako. May nalimutan ako. Ito ang pinaka masarap. We have the ham, fiesta ham, o diba? Actually, yan. Kagabi ko pa to i-unbag dapat, kaso medyo wasted na ang lola ninyo. Pero, kaya yan, came from the freezer nga lang yan. Yan lang talaga yung alam ko. And kagabi, nagulat kami. At may sinabi ang aming HR head na meron silang pampaw. Okay. Pack. Ganun. Sige, basahin natin. 2025 Harry Year-End Party. Thank you for being the rhythm behind our journey. Your dedication and unstoppable spirit make Harry a great place to work. Together as one Harry, may we continue to move with harmony into a brighter year ahead. Thank you. Syempre, ayokong buksan at i-post kung magkano. Pero syempre, tignan natin kung magkano talaga to at nakakabigla lang. So, ayan. Ay, medyo makapal-kapal ng konti. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Harry. And check out for the 2026 Unbug Christmas session. Thank you!